That's your Igbo boyfriend, I'll be Igbo husband, I'll be Igbo anything. Just use this word for them all the time. And seriously, you have passed the test though. You have passed the test. Hi beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and join this family. And don't tell me you don't like this channel, because before you clicked on this video, seriously, it's divinely assigned, it's divinely manifested. Speak it Pastor igboticnono. Or igboticnono to a pastor. Please subscribe to this channel and join this family. Okay guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about the 5 magic words in Igbo language. I'm also going to give it I'm also going to tell you guys the meaning in English as well. The 5 magic words in Igbo language. The 5 magic word in Igbo language is called Oku Awansi. Oku Awansi is the magic word. Oku Amansi is called magic word. Okay, it's very important for you to have this magic words in your life, because the more the more homely you are, yes, I don't know if I'm right, sorry, the more homely you are, yeah, humility, the more you get things easily. Let me just put it that way. So it's very important you know this word. And trust me, I forgot to tell you guys, that's your Igbo boyfriend, I'll be Igbo husband, I'll be Igbo anything. Just use this word for them all the time. And seriously, you have passed the test though. You have passed the test. What is 5 magic words? 5 magic words is that word that makes us get something easily, that makes us calm down. Yes, that makes us happy, that makes us get things from people, that makes us calm down. Seriously, these words are magic and you need to learn them. You need to learn them. Yes. And number 1 here is Biko. Biko is please. Learn how to say please. Learn how to say Biko. Seriously, it doesn't make you less of yourself. It doesn't make you not big again like you are. Seriously, if you get used to saying Biko or please, if you get used to it, even it gets to this point that even the person you're telling Biko or please might just say, just don't mind her, don't mind him, next thing is please or Biko. You know, it doesn't mean anything. Like if it becomes part of parcel of you, it doesn't even mean that you're not even going to do that thing again. I don't know if you understand me. Like, just say it like you're drinking water. It's very magical. If you wrong someone, say Biko. Sometimes if you don't even wrong someone, you can say Biko, please, it's okay. Biko Zuko, please, it's okay. Yes. So number 1 here is Biko. Number 2 here is Cheregodi. Cheregodi, excuse me. Cheregodi, excuse me. This is mostly for our guys in the building. You know, when you're meeting somebody, when you want to meet that chick on the road, you usually say excuse me, lady. It's only when guys want to meet a girl, that's when they use excuse me. Other times they are doing like, why will I say excuse me? Why will I even say Biko? Why will I even say sorry, please? But when it comes to women, when they want to get a girl for the first time, when they want to try that girl for the first time, they're seeing for the first time, when they want to try that girl, that's when they remember excuse me. Excuse me, young lady. You don't say that only when you want to check a girl. Get used to saying that. Excuse me, you want to pass? Excuse me. Cheregodi. Cheregodi. Guys, sorry if I'm talking somehow. This is my braces. I don't know if you watched my other video when I told you guys no lesson today, that I'm going for an appointment. I had an emergency and it has been fixed, and so it is what it is. So number 3 here is Ndo. Ndo, sorry. Ndo, sorry. Ndo, sorry. ndo, sorry. So now you have learned biko, which is please, and you have learned cheregodi, which is excuse me, and now you are learning ndo, which is sorry. And here is ndewo, thank you. Ndewo, thank you. Ndewo, thank you. Ndewo, thank you. Also, if you don't want to say ndewo, you can also say imela. It means thank you as well. Imela, thank you. Imela, thank you. Imela, thank you. Baharam, pardon me. Baharam, pardon me. Baharam, pardon me. Baharam, pardon me. Okay, let's repeat all we have said. Ngwa kanyi muharia ya. Ngwa kanyi muharia ya. Ngwa kanyi muharia ya. Okay, let's repeat. Maharam, please. Maharam, pardon me. Maharam, pardon me. Imela, thank you. Imela, thank you. Ndewo, thank you. Ndewo, thank you. Ndewo, thank you. Biko, please. Biko, please. Cheregodi, excuse me. Cheregodi, excuse me. Ndo, sorry. Ndo, sorry. Ndo, sorry. So guys, this brings me to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. So these are the 5 magic words in Igbo. I don't know if I said more than 5, but these are the magic words in Igbo. These are the okwu nwase. These are the okwu awanse. Okwu awanse. Magic words in Igbo language. Please try to use it. It's very, very important. You can see the way I listed them already, the way I'm holding the paper, is so that you can see it vividly well, and their spellings boldly written on them. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please try to do so. Give this video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it, and if you don't enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. Your girl put up a hard work here, okay? And also share them as well. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.